Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0617, refers specifically to a fault in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit that indicates high voltage levels. This code is particularly relevant for the Honda Civic models produced between 2011 and 2015. The starter cut relay plays a critical role in the starting system, ensuring that the engine starts only when required and preventing unauthorized starts. This component is located in the underhood fuse relay box, which houses multiple relays and fuses crucial for various electrical systems. High voltage in this circuit usually suggests an electrical fault affecting the relay, wiring, or possibly the powertrain control module, PCM. Identifying the root cause of the error requires a detailed diagnostic process to ensure that all related components are functioning correctly. DTC P0617 signals a malfunction in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit due to high voltage. The starter cut relay controls the electrical flow necessary for the engine starting process, and its primary role is to prevent the engine from starting under undesirable conditions, thereby enhancing vehicle security and functionality. This relay is housed in the underhood fuse/relay box, an area that contains various electrical components essential for the operation of the vehicle's systems. If the relay circuit is experiencing high voltage, it may indicate a problem with the relay itself, wiring issues, or conflicts with the PCM. Understanding the exact location and function of these components is crucial for accurate diagnosis and repair. High voltage may lead to devastating faults if not addressed promptly, affecting not just starting but the entire electrical system. Several possible causes may lead to the triggering of DTC P0617. A faulty starter cut relay may fail to function correctly due to internal defects, leading to abnormal voltage levels. Additionally, poor connections often contribute significantly to electrical issues, with loose terminals or corroded wires interrupting the normal flow of current. These connections can be found at the starter cut relay and the PCM, so inspecting these points is essential. Furthermore, a malfunctioning powertrain control module could misinterpret the signals from the relay circuit, inadvertently causing high voltage readings. It is vital to check these possibilities before making any component replacements as part of the troubleshooting process. Identifying the actual cause ensures that repairs are both effective and prevent future occurrences of the same issue. DTC P0617 can manifest in various symptoms, primarily related to the engine not starting. This issue results because the starter cut relay is not functioning as intended, preventing the start sequence from even initiating. Additionally, drivers may notice erratic electrical behavior, which could be due to fluctuating voltage levels affecting other systems in the vehicle. Observing dashboard warning lights is another telltale sign, often alerting the user to electrical problems within the car. All these symptoms should prompt immediate investigation to prevent further electrical system degradation. Recognizing these early indicators can be vital for timely repairs, saving both time and money. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0617, begin by pressing the engine start-stop button to select the on mode in order to activate the vehicle's electrical systems. Following this, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any present diagnostic trouble codes. This action helps in ensuring that the DTC being tested is current and not a remnant of a previous issue. Once cleared, check the starter relay diagnosis, STRLD, voltage using the HDS again to determine if it reads 3.2 volts or more. If the voltage is adequate, it indicates that the failure can be reproduced and testing can continue. Otherwise, it suggests intermittent failures, which might point to connectors or terminals that could be loose or compromised. Addressing those connections is crucial, as they can significantly affect the system's performance. Correlating this step with recorded freeze data could also provide insights when diagnosing the issue. In the second step of troubleshooting for DTC P0617, again, press the engine start-stop button to select the off mode. This step is crucial for ensuring that no electrical components will activate while working on the vehicle. Next, remove fuse number A5, which is a 7.5 amp fuse located in the underhood fuse/relay box. This action is taken to isolate the starter cut relay from the circuit for testing. Once the fuse is removed, reselect the on mode on the engine start-stop button to provide power to the circuit, and use the HDS to check the voltage at the starter cut relay. Looking for a reading of 3.2 volts or more is necessary. If the voltage is insufficient, troubleshooting shifts back to other component connections or wiring issues. Successfully following this step is critical for understanding where the electrical fault lies, especially in identifying either the voltage supply or the relay functionality. The third step in troubleshooting DTC P0617 requires pressing the engine start-stop button to switch to the off mode again. This precaution is necessary to prevent any unintended activation of electrical systems while working on sensitive components. Following that, remove starter cut relay 1 from its location in the underhood fuse relay box. This relay is responsible for initiating the engine start process and can be the source of voltage irregularities. After removal, the relay must be tested to determine if it is functioning properly. If this relay is confirmed to be operational with the appropriate testing tools, the next phase involves checking connections. Loose terminals or poor connections at both starter cut relay 1 and relay 2, as well as the PCM, need to be assessed thoroughly. If no issues are found with these components, it may indicate that the fuse/relay box itself is defective, warranting its replacement. For the fourth troubleshooting step, regarding DTC P0617, once again, press the engine start-stop button to select the off mode to prepare for safe testing. Following this, jump the SCS, Service Check Socket line, with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to enable testing of the electrical circuits more effectively. Next, disconnect connector A, 51P, from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. After this disconnection, the engine start-stop button must be pressed again to select the on mode, allowing you to measure the voltage output accurately. You will then need to measure the voltage between the designated test points, specifically between PCM connector A, number 24, which is a green wire, and body ground. The expectation here is to find a reading of 0.1 volts or less. Achieving this measurement indicates that the wiring from the powertrain control module to the starter cut relays is functioning as intended. If the reading is above this threshold, it suggests a short to power somewhere along this line that must be repaired. In the final repair verification stage for DTC P0617, it is critical to confirm that all repairs made were effective and address the issue at hand. Begin by clearing any DTC codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to reset the electronic system. After clearing, it is advisable to perform a test drive of the vehicle under conditions similar to where the initial problem was observed. This step checks for any reoccurrence of the DTC, ensuring that it no longer appears and that the vehicle operates normally. Monitoring dashboard indicators during test driving is essential. If the vehicle starts successfully without triggering the code, it indicates that the repairs were successful. Additionally, it is vital to analyze any freeze data recorded in earlier tests to ensure comprehensive understanding of possible intermittent failures that could still persist. A thorough verification solidifies the overall effectiveness of the repairs. Preventive maintenance practices are essential to avoid reoccurrences of DTC P0617 and similar electrical issues. Conducting regular inspections of the starting system can catch potential issues before they result in faults. Monitoring the condition of wiring is particularly crucial. Ensuring that all connections remain tight and corrosion-free can significantly minimize electrical failures. It is also advisable to periodically check the functions of relays impacting the starting system, including the starter cut relay. Regularly servicing these components will enhance overall vehicle reliability and performance. Consider documenting maintenance schedules to ensure that checks are made systematically, reducing the likelihood of unexpected failures later on. Engaging in proactive strategies not only improves vehicle health, but also contributes to a safer driving experience. In summary, troubleshooting DTC P0617 involves a systematic approach to identify and remedy faults in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit. Early identification of issues that manifest through symptoms like the engine not starting and erratic electrical behavior requires immediate action. Clearing DTCs as part of the diagnostic process through HDS is essential to determine the current state of the vehicle. Connections should always be assessed thoroughly to prevent overlooked poor wiring or loose terminals from complicating the repair. Each step in the troubleshooting process is meticulously designed to isolate and address specific potential failures. Conducting regular preventive maintenance will also help in mitigating recurring problems, ensuring the long-term reliability of the Honda Civic's electrical systems. The integrity of the starting system directly impacts the overall performance, underscoring the importance of addressing DTC P0617 promptly and effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.